ഹലോ ഡിയർ സ്റ്റുഡൻസ്, എല്ലാവർക്കും ഗുഡ് മോർണിംഗ്. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ക്ലാസ് 10th ഇലക്ട്രിസിറ്റിയുമായിട്ട് റിലേറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് വരുന്ന കുറച്ച് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോവാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിലേക്ക് കടക്കാം. ഓക്കെ, ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. ഇൻ എ ബാറ്ററി ഓഫ് 10 volts carrying 20,000 coulomb of charge through a resistance of 20 ohm, the work done in 10 seconds. So work done ആണ് നമ്മളോട് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ചോദിച്ചിട്ടുള്ളത്. സോ ഇക്വേഷൻ വർക്ക് ഡൺ ഈക്വൽ ടു നമുക്ക് എങ്ങനെ എഴുതാം? വി ഇൻറ്റു ക്യൂ എന്ന് എഴുതാം. റൈറ്റ്, വി ഹാവ് ഡബ്ല്യു ഈക്വൽ ടു വി ക്യൂ. ഫ്രം ദിസ് they said 10 volt. So 10 into about charge is 20,000, right? 10 into 20,000, that means here we have how many zeros? 4 zeros we have. Okay, here 5 zeros we have. So the answer is 2 into 10 raised to 5. Okay, so the work done, that is equation V into Q. They said voltage 10 volt, they said charge 20,000. So you have to just multiply. Answer will come 2 into 10 raised to 5. Very easy question. Got it? Then I am moving to the next question. Please listen and note down. A boy records that 4,000 joules. So in the question they said W equal to 4,000. Right? Very easy. Only after transfer 10 coulombs. So we have Q equal to 10 coulombs, right? After they are saying 50 ohm, R equal to we have 50 ohm. So from this we have to calculate current. So Ohm's law we have I equal to V by R. What is Ohm's law? I equal to V by R. At constant temperature, the potential difference across any conductor is directly proportional to the current flowing through that conductor. That was the Ohm's law. So in the last question I had said already W equal to VQ. From that we can write V equal to W divided by Q. Am I correct? From that V equal to W divided by Q. So here I equal to, you have to write W, how much they say? 4,000 divided by Q 10, all divided by, what is the resistance here? 50 ohm. So very easily we can cut these zeros. So the answer will come 400 divided by 1, all divided by 50. Right? So this one we can modify like this. 400 by 1 into just opposite, that means that will come like here 50 by 1. So 1 by 50, 0 zeros will cut. So in 40, how many 5 we have? 8. So that will be the current. Very easily we can solve this question. You have to keep in mind W equal to VQ, then V equal to W by Q, then Ohm's law I equal to V by R. Got it? Then I am moving to the next question. Question number 3. All elements of an electric circuit are connected in series except we have options voltmeter, we have options ammeter, then we have two more options there. I will check rheostat and resistor. So 4 devices we have: voltmeter, ammeter, then rheostat and resistor. Out of this, voltmeter is always connecting as parallel in an electric circuit, right? So that's why our answer is option number A. That is the answer. So you have to keep in mind voltmeter is always connecting us in parallel. Our question was that only all elements of an electric circuit are connected in series except voltmeter. Right? Very easy question. Then I'm moving to the next question. A resistance wire is stretched so as to double its length. Its new resistivity will have a magnitude. They said 2 times, 4 times, 8 times. Then they said finally same as the original. So you have to keep in mind always the resistivity that depends on the nature of the material only. If the material is changing, we can say that the resistivity will change. Okay, so the remaining other physical quantities like length, area, that won't affecting the value of resistivity. That means here answer will be the final same as its original, right? The same as original, option number D. So the answer will be same as its original, option number D. Then I'm moving to the next question. Study the VI graph for conductors AB and CD. They set the graphs, then we have to take the suitable one. So in this question, we have 4 options here, right? RA, RB, RC, RD. So when we are taking the slope actually, here we have I, here we have V. So we have tan theta equal to, right, slope we can say V by I. From here when we are taking the slope V by I, but here actually the voltage is in x-axis and the current is in y-axis. That means we have to take the inverse of the concept. That is, when we are taking the slope here, that will come I by V, right? So 1 by R will come. So when we are considering this graph, more slope means actually that will come for which one? The first. More slope means more R here. I by V value very less needed. Slope very less needed. That means I by V value very less means we can take like reciprocal or opposite of that part. That means RA greater than RB greater than RC greater than RD. That will be the correct answer. Okay. Then I am going to the next question. Question number. When a 4-volt battery is connected across an unknown resistor 100, value of resistance of the resistor we have to calculate. So dear students, listen here. Ohm's law, I equal to, we have V by R, right? They are asking R, so we have V equal to I into R. Am I correct, right? So from this, R equal to, you can take V divided by I. Voltage, they set it for 100 milliampere, that means 100 into minus 3. Already here 2 zeros we have, here minus 3, so minus 3 and plus 2 will get. So here that will come 10 is to minus 1, that will come upside, that means 4 into 10. So the answer will be 40 ohm. So 4 divided by 100 milliampere means 100 into 10 is to minus 3. That minus 3 and 100 2 zeros will get cancelled. So the remaining part minus 1 will come. That will go upside. So the answer will be 40 ohm. Okay. Very easy question only. Then I am going to the next question here. Plastic insulation surrounds a wire having diameter D and length L as shown below. So decrease in the resistance of the wire. So we have the concept actually. Like R proportional to L divided by A. A means pi R square, or we can say pi D square by 4, because R is D by 2. R square will come D square by 4, right? So based on this one, we can say, like they are saying, decrease in the resistance. Resistance should be less. Resistance should be less means the numerical quantity will be resistance less means numerical quantity will be less and denominator quantity will be more, because upside part like directly proportional, downside part like opposite, I mean inverse proportion, right? So from this we can say length of the wire increase, no, that should be decrease, so that is wrong. Then diameter d of the wire increase, right? So diameter more means definitely what will happen? Resistance will be less because area and resistance inversely proportional. Temperature actually don't change almost. Then thickness of the plastic insulation also don't change here. So the most suitable is you can say diameter d of the wire. Very easy question, right? Such. I am moving to the next question. That is, Raman wants to draw a graph to show how the resistivity. Already I said the resistivity depends on the nature of the material. So rho and L proportional, that is wrong. Then rho and L, like this graph also. I mean, whatever with L, like rho increasing, that is also wrong. Then rho decreasing also wrong. Then like here again wrong. So we can say whatever be the length, rho always should be the same, no change. So this one will be the correct answer. Very easy question only. Okay. Then again rho, whatever be the value of length or area, that doesn't, that do not, that not depending the resistivity value. It depends only on the nature of the material. Am I right? Yes. I am moving to the next question. Okay. Then here you can see what is the maximum resistance can be using 5 resistors each of 1 by 5. So maximum resistance means always we have to keep in mind series mode. That means 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. That means here denominator all are same 5. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, how much? 5 by 5, that is equal to, answer will be 1, right? Very easily we can say series resistance we will get maximum. In the case of parallel we will get minimum value. So there will be 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 5 plus we have to do. That is the question. Easy one. Then I am moving to the next question. A piece of wire resistance R is cut into 5 equal parts. Okay, cut into 5 equal parts. That means R by 5, R by 5, R by 5, R by 5, R by 5. Like this, they are asking R by 1. Okay, R by. So when we are connecting it like a parallel, that means we have equation like when we are connecting parallel, effective value will be R by n. So here R value. Okay. How? R by 5, how many? 5 actually. So how we can do this? That means R by 1 into, just opposite that will come. Otherwise, put like this, R divided by R by 5, then into, here is 1. So 1 by 5. So here that will come how? R by 25, right? R by 25. Then from here, upside we have R, downside we have R by 25. So R by 1 into that 25 will come upside divided by R will get cancelled. So the final answer will be 25 So very easily we can do like this question. So students, once again I want to say about this electricity question. It is very easy questions only. Learn well, practice well, hope today's questions are very clear for you. Okay, so I'm going to wind up. Definitely we'll meet some question and topic discussion in upcoming classes. Okay, bye, see you, thank you.